watching to Get Twisted with Mr. Mike. Today we're going to be making a balloon giraffe. What do you call a whole bunch of giraffes stuck on the road? A giraffic jam. Ew, terrible. Anyway, we're going to be doing a one balloon giraffe, and I have news for you. You already know how to make one if you watched my dog video, because it really is the same thing. We're going to be making a head, 2 ears, a neck, 2 front legs, a body, 2 back legs, and a tail. It's the same as our dog, it's just the bubbles are different sizes. So let's get started. We're going to get started with a yellow balloon here, and we're going to blow it up, and we're going to leave about, maybe a 3-inch tail or so, just like that, about that much. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to be working head to tail with our giraffe. So we're going to make a giraffe's head, which is much smaller than our dog. So there's our head. Now, if you're new to balloons, watch what happens if you let go. Yeah, you don't want to do that. So twist it, don't let go. Now we're going to make 2 ears for our giraffe. 1 and 2. Just like that. And those are small ears for our giraffe because they got small ears. And we're going to bend this like this, and we're going to twist these 2 together right here. So twist, and look at that. We have the head of our giraffe. Now we're going to look down here. Now when our dog, we do a small neck, but for a giraffe, we're going to do about a 6-inch neck for our giraffe. Now let's make some legs. I'm going to do a set of legs almost the same size as the neck, maybe just a little shorter. So I got 1, and I can kind of go like this and measure it. So I got 2 that are the same size, and here you're going to twist this one into this one like this, and you got your 2 front legs. And here you can take a break. This is not coming apart. Now for the body, we're going to make a small body, just like this, maybe about a 2-inch bubble there. And now we're going to make 2 more legs that are the same size as our front legs. So we're going to go 1, and then fold this up here like this to measure 2. And now we're going to twist these 2 back legs together. And everything else is just a little tail, and you can I like to give him a little curl in his tail, just like this. So there we have our balloon giraffe. Now, for the purposes of this video, you saw my sample giraffe where I had spots all over him. You can do that on your own. I'm not going to do that, but I am going to draw an eye, another eye, just like this, and a big smile. And now we have a balloon giraffe. Thank you very much. I'm Mr. Mike. Tune in next time and for more balloon tutorials. Thank you.